If you've ever wanted to enjoy fresh homemade bread but didn't want to deal with hours of kneading, proofing, and constantly checking the oven, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that today's bread makers can do almost all the work for you, but not all of them deliver the same results. Today, we're taking a close look at the Koviet 25-in-1 bread maker machine to see if it's actually worth bringing into your kitchen. The Koviet 25-in-1 bread maker is designed for busy families, beginners, home bakers, and anyone who loves fresh bread without the hassle. It promises everything from classic white bread and whole wheat loaves to gluten-free recipes, dough, yogurt, jam, and even cake, all with minimal effort. One of its biggest highlights is the automatic dual-ingredient dispenser, which adds fruits, nuts, or other mix-ins at just the right moment during baking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the machine feels well built. The brushed stainless steel housing gives it a modern appearance that fits nicely into most kitchens, while also feeling durable enough for regular use. It doesn't feel flimsy like some budget bread makers, and the sturdy construction helps reduce vibration while baking. The control panel is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to choose from the 25 preset programs without feeling overwhelmed. The removable non-stick bread pan slides in and out smoothly, making cleanup simple after every loaf. One feature that immediately stands out is the automatic dual dispenser. Instead of reminding yourself to add raisins, nuts, seeds, or dried fruit halfway through the cycle, the machine handles that automatically. It releases ingredients at exactly the right point during mixing, helping ensure they're evenly distributed throughout the loaf instead of sinking to the bottom or getting overmixed. It's a small convenience that makes a noticeable difference, especially for specialty breads. Performance is where this bread maker really shines. Thanks to its 650-watt brushless motor and convection heating system, the baking process feels consistent from start to finish. Hot air circulates evenly around the loaf, helping create a nicely brown crust while keeping the inside soft, fluffy, and evenly baked. Whether you're making basic sandwich bread, whole wheat, gluten-free recipes, pizza dough, or sweetbreads, the machine delivers dependable results with very little effort. Another feature that makes everyday use easier is the ability to customize almost every loaf. You can choose between 1, 1.5, or 2-pound loaf sizes depending on your household, and there are 3 crust settings ranging from light to dark. This flexibility means you're not locked into one style of bread, allowing you to experiment with different recipes as your baking confidence grows. The delayed timer is another major advantage for busy schedules. Simply load your ingredients before bed, set the timer, and wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread in the morning. The 1-hour keep warm function helps keep your loaf fresh if you can't remove it immediately, while the power interruption memory offers extra peace of mind during brief outages. Noise levels are surprisingly low during operation. The brushless motor runs quietly enough that it won't become distracting while you're working nearby or relaxing in the evening. Cleaning is equally straightforward since the premium non-stick pan releases bread easily, and most leftover crumbs wipe away with very little effort. Overall, this bread maker is an excellent choice for beginners, families, health-conscious eaters, and anyone who wants fresh homemade bread without spending hours in the kitchen. If you bake regularly, the combination of versatility, convenience, and consistent results makes it a worthwhile investment. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and available discounts. If fresh homemade bread is something you've been missing, the Koviet 25-in-1 bread maker is definitely one worth considering.